Hello. So we have understand about the section creation and we have also created our introduction section. So we will just click here and we will minimize this introduction. And in bracket you can see that there are total 4 slides were there and so it is written there. Okay. So here we are going to discuss more about the smart art. Why? Because here we want to create one slide. How we can use this ChatGPT? Under this, we want to have one slide with a layout as a total blank. Or we can, it will be very good if it will be blank. Okay, and then after we will look forward for any different layout if we required or not. And here there are 4 points which I want to mention. That whenever you are going to the slides, we will create these all this point in a single slide. Okay, so our points are learning and education, just control C and paste it here as a control V. Okay, let us first take all these text and then after we will discuss more about how to rearrange that part. Okay, control C, control V. Here you may ask that why it is underlined with the red. Some of you may aware about this thing, but if not, then I will ask you first that what you will understand by this. So if you have answer, then it's very good that you have a very good understanding about to creating the different kind of content. But if not, then it is basically related to the grammatical mistakes. Once you right click on that one, it will automatically pop up. Either you want to ignore, or you want to add to dictionary, or you want to change the text. So here maybe due to the wrong spelling mistake, it is showing as a underline with the red highlighted. Okay, so we will change this, and here also it is, you can see that it is showing with the same error. Let us click on that, and now the spelling has been corrected automatically. So we have converted, we have transferred our whole 4.5 points here in the slide number 7. So now let us create one a smart art. You can if you go in insert, you can see that one smart art is available. Let us click on that. Here different types of smart art graphics are available. So there are list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture. So these are the different things are available. If you want to capture this thing from globally, so office.com, which is a cloud based smart art, but for now we are going to utilize maximum from list to picture, and everything is combined in all, where you can see that list as a heading and different smart art graphics are available. Then after there are, you can, if you go little bit down one process, you can see it is the same like here, but now we will use from the these different section because it will be very difficult to find out what we required. I hope you are clear with that. But if you go in the list section, you can see that there are n number of options are available. Here our content is basically with the only 5 parts. Okay, so you can use whatever you can. Let us, for trial purpose, I am clicking on this, double clicking. You can see that these 5 box are getting coming up from against this whole text, and here smarter design and format tab is getting activated. So in detail we can discuss it later on, but for now purpose, let us delete control z and let us select something which is very applicable for us. So I think if you go to the picture, there are options which is giving as a picture as a option and the accent as a text. So once you try with everything, then and then you will understand that what are the different kind of a smart art is available. However, we are utilizing these whenever we require, but currently we will use this thing and press ok. You can see this is reflecting with the 3 text only. So let us paste our whole text here, control C, control X, control V, because now we don't require here, control V. Control X, Control V. Oops, but now only three box were there. So how to increase? You just go in Smart Design and click on the Add Shape. One more we required, Add Shape. Okay, Control X, Control V, Control X, Control V. You can see that when you we click on direct Control V, it is creating one additional line item only. So it will be good. If you don't have, you can either typing here also you can add this thing. Okay, so let us this remove this by selecting and press delete button. Here also, well, let us delete this thing. Now you may ask that we have mentioned a wrong sequence, because first we are going to learn about financial education and then after creating a website. So we want to switch over this thing. Here one tab is available, move up or move down. When you click here, move down is also getting activated. We want to move down it. So okay, now it has been down. In the text, when you click on this text panel, you can see that one pop-up will be coming up. You can update it from here also. Whatever you get, wherever you clicking, and whatever you are updating, will be getting updated automatically here also. Sorry. Okay, and let us stop. Click here outside and again clicking back Smart Art Design. Let us turn off the text pen. Okay, see, you can see right to left and left to right. Here images are at the left side, but I want to have the all the images are the right side. You can see the direction has been changed. If you want to change the color, the here different themes are already available, but these all the themes are basically related to what we have selected for our whole slide. So we have to either select it from here only, from based on our color palette. And I am going to go with the last one, which is very and decent theme. Okay, here different styles are available. You can select whatever style you is suitable for you. So I think for me I really like the 3D one, so I am going to select either, or you can select it, but let us select this thing. Okay, now you can see that there are the photographs it is asking. So what we are going to use, we just click here and it will ask from a file or a stock image or an online picture or from icon. There are n number of options are available, but for now let us keep this tutorial till from icon only. First point is learning and related to the education. So it is loading all the icons which are there in the system available. Here we will use education related symbol. You just type education, whatever will be there it will be coming up. You can see different learning and education type symbols are getting there. You have to select it whatever you like. So I think this is okay, which is signed as a degree sign. Insert this part. You can see our icon has been replaced with this. Now related to personal life, we will click here from icon. Again it is loading and now we will replace it with a live. Let us type live. Okay, press enter. Here no, I don't like anything, so what we are going to use, personal life or healthiness. So it will be good if we select as a running person. Okay, so let us select this thing and press insert. For business and profession, let us select it. I will type business, enter. Okay, why there is some nothing is like. So related to job, we can ask for job if there is something is available. Yes, here I can select this part. Create a website from icon. Website, that means related to something tech related. I think. Okay, so let us write down tech, press enter, but nothing is available. IT, computer we can select. Okay, available this guy with the computer. Let us insert this thing. And financial education. Sorry, mistakenly I have clicked here. Let us close here. And from icon, you can see there are and all another options are also available. So for trial purpose, you can click here and see. You can see that there are a number of options are available. So we can select it from there too. Let us search it for anything which is available. If not, but in the cutout people there will be not there anything. Maybe in sticker you can take it like money, but it is not good. And illustration, let us check in the illustration images. Finance, no. So finally we have to again come back to here only, and here from here you can select either a bank symbol or a simple this money symbols and insert. But you can see that here our symbols are not getting totally clear, so we have to change our theme which is best suitable for us. If I change this again, yeah, you can see that now it is getting very good one. But here, due to this text and shadow, now it's a very good and better one. But here it will be good if it will be like left to right. But without the heading the slide is not getting proper completed. So what we are going to use, we are adding one shape from here, or you also can go to here and shapes. You can select either any of the one. I am selecting this thing, only square box. And how we use chat gpt and control all. Here I am teaching you one shortcut which is control shift and greater than sign. Once you click on that, automatically text will be size will be increased. Okay, if you press less than along with the control and shift, the text size will be reduced. So let us keep here only and provide the shadow. Okay, now you can see, but here the border is there, so I don't like the border in the shape. So under the shape format we will remove the border, no outline. Now you can see our slide is completed. And from next time onwards we are going to discuss more about this learning and education, and along with the different tools are available. So be with the course and enjoy learning. Thank you.